Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how to create drop-down list in WordPress. So this is my WordPress website and I am going to create a menu under this Our Services page and put my services. So this is my website niazone.net and I am going to provide you services like content writing, SEO, website development, app creation. So if you need any services, then contact me. So here you can see these are the pages, and I am going to put my services pages under this Our Services page. So for example, I am going to put first, this is the main menu option. Under appearance, this is the appearance. I have logged into my WordPress account, so under appearance you can see menu, and now here you can see this is the pages. This is the menu structure. So here this is the web page, Our Services. So I will put first one, this website design and development, click under this Our Services main menu. So I need to click here under Our Services option. So I have clicked it and to save it, save menu. Okay, let's see what happens. Just I need to refresh it. Make sure to do hard refresh from Control F5 to see the instant changes. Let it get refreshed. So you can see this this one page, website design and development, has already come under this Our Services page. So I will put my other pages as well. So this is my another page, content writing. First I will click on it, click on add-on menu. So content writing, this is one is added here. So it is showing under contact us, means it will show under the option which is showing at the top of this. Try to just scroll it up and put here so atom. Now click it. So you need to move it above a little more here. So I need to click on here and I need to click this is the showing under this one. So sub item, so sub item shows like this. This is the main items and this is sub items. So okay, this content writing item is also allocated, means it is showing in right angles, and sub item shows just a little bit of space and then it shows as sub item. So this is the main item. Save menu and let's see, refresh it. So this is content writing services, this is web designing services. So I can click on any of the page. This is content writing, this is website and development. I will create two more pages and show you how to do it. Let's go to add new page. I will add two more pages to show you and clarify the thing. This is my SEO, SMO, SMO. These are the one page, SEO and SMO. I will write the stuff here later on, and another page I will add add development, Android app development. So these are services which I am going to add on my website, and if you want a cheapest and best services, then you can contact me anytime through my niazone.net website. I will also give you my email ID. Then again go to appearance and click on menu. So I will add two more pages here under this Our Services page to clarify the thing. First I need to Android app development and SEO and SMO. I need to select them and click on add to menu. Now they are added on add to menu. Just scroll it up, just scroll it and drop it here, drag and drop. Okay, so these are 4 pages now has come under this our services. You can see this is the main page, and you can see the space this is showing sub item, this is showing item. So I will make it, because this is showing sub item, so just move it up. This is sub item of this main item, our services. Now to click on save menu, and now you need to refresh this page. Now I go to JSON.NET. This is the main website. Then now you can see Android app development, content writing, SEO and SMO, website and web development. So you can add as many pages as you want as per your need under the drop down list. So it is very easy and anybody can do it, and I bet you will easily able to do it. And if you face any problem, then you can just comment below and contact me. So I hope now you will be able to do it, and if you face any problem, let me know. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.